How you doing, brother? How are you? Getting a bit of limboing going on there. How you doing, mate? You right? How are you, brother? You good? Of course you can, bro. Of course you can, mate. Of course you can. Oh, hey. Come on, Jay. Let's go.
Oh, get in. Ah, look at him. I was looking forward to seeing you both. Look.
Awesome, mate. Awesome, mate. Awesome.
Cheers, mate.
Big love, mate.
Lovely to see you, bro.
And you, mate. And you. Very good. You got me with the Disney hat and all, you know, man?
I'll pop it on my Facebook in a minute.
Oh, wicked, brother.
I just bought a wig for you.
Cool, mate.
60.
Yeah, bit of disguise, right?
60 I am.
60?
Yeah.
Doing good, bro. Happy birthday, man.
The big 6-0.
Yeah, big.
I didn't have a big people around.
You're doing great, brother. You really are. Awesome, bro.
Welcome to the Stagman Avenue.
Are you good, mate? You're right, yeah?
Very good.
Yeah, it's fantastic, isn't it?
How are you? Very good.
You gotta rock down to Stagman Avenue. You know that, baby. It is. It's good, isn't it?
The Stagman Avenue. I've been kidnapped.
Oh, you've been kidnapped. How you doing, sweet? How you doing, darling? Oh, bless you. How are you, babe?
Oh my god, but then
How you doing? You right, bro? You good? Awesome, mate. You're good. Yeah, man. So look, Dream Team is here now, mate. Dream Team is here. The War Room starts. Yes, mate. Session 1. Wicked, mate.
She is
Oh, yeah, they're
fucking
asking
all over your socials.
I thought it's all over me. I was going to say. Yeah.
She,
Woo! Let's go.
she's gonna lose her shit, mate.
Gonna lose her shit. This sounds so exciting.
Mate, honestly,
Let's go and lose some shit.
are we going?
Yeah, we're going. I'll catch up with you in a few minutes, right? Yeah. Oh. Done well then. How are you, gorgeous? Right, mate. Yeah. He done well there. Fucking hell. Yeah. And I thought he had no hope.
Thank you. You
Yeah.
gotta meet Kath.
Listen,
I promise
you've
you,
got
I
me, babe.
promise you.
You. Right, let's go and see her. Let's go do it. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Which way are we going? Oh, cool. Yes, man.
Kath! Where's Kath? Kath!
It's like one of them movies that we've got to do in slow motion. How you doing, guys? How are you guys, right? How you doing, brother? You good, mate? Come here, you beautiful thing. How are you, darling? Come here, you.
We've had fun, darling!
Oh, bless you, baby.
Oh, you okay?
Oh, wow. Are you all right, darling, yeah? You all good? How you doing, baby? You all right? So this is all the bride's team, yeah? Give it a fucking large, mate.
We're at the end, so we all get a free drink before it ends.
I'll sort you out, baby, 100%. No, I will. I will sort you out, 100%. No, thank you, darling. Thank you, sweetie, babe. And you, darling. What, mate? I love it.
Don't be shy, give me a try.
Exactly. Don't be dry, give me a try.
Yeah.
I'm never dry, mate. I can go all night long.
Don't be shy, give me a try. Don't you scream faster I go.
She is unreal, mate. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, shit. Yes, brother. Boom, mate. Look at that. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you, brother.
I need a photo with
No problem, mate. No problem at all. No problem at all. We'll do that.
me and Frank.
Come here, beautiful. When's the big day?
15th of July I get
Wow,
married.
not long, huh? Come here, you. I caught you. The problem is, where are your hands now, babe? Go on. You are proper naughty, babe. My kind of girl, you know.
That's what she is. That's dirty bitch.
Yeah.
Way! Oh shit!
Yeah. As me and Jade say, as me and Jade say, that's the way our heart, we like it. You know that, babe. Back in 1 second, babe. Back in 1 second. Yeah, darling. So that's the boys then, all good, mate, yeah? Wicked, brother. You alright? You good? Wicked, brother. And you, babe. And you, babe. Back in 1 second.